This video shows you how to work with variables. Variables are an important part of all programming languages. XenoGuard also offers the possibility to use variables in a script. In general terms, variables are data containers that store mutable values. Each variable has a unique name and a range or context in which the variable is valid. In the group identifier, you will find the action that defines a variable. As soon as you insert a variable into the script, XenoGuard automatically creates a unique name. The name is indexed and numbered consecutively. A variable name, also called identifier, is freely selectable. You may use letters from the alphabet, numbers, and special characters also. Try to choose the names in a way that one can understand what the variable is used for. For example, we need a variable that stores a screenshot from the screen. We will call it screenshot image. Click the parameter variable name and then enter the new name. Besides the variable name, the so-called data type is also important. It determines what kind of values you want to store. The data type text indicates that the variable stores any character strings. The data type image is reserved for images. In our example, we choose the data type image. Also important is the scope of the variable. XenoGuard calls this the context scope. The context scope local is preset and indicates that the variable may only be used in the script in which the variable was defined. The context scope global changes the scope to the entire workspace. This allows all scripts to access the variable. Once you have defined a variable in the script, you can use it at any point. The easiest way is by drag and drop. We extend the example and add the action take screenshot. The action takes a snapshot of a screen content. We open the action parameters and then drag the variable to the result parameter. You can see that the variable name appears there. Now we start the script. After execution, you can move the mouse to the variable. XenoGuard automatically displays the variable content in a small preview window. Let's extend the example and now save the image to a file. The save image action is used for this purpose. The action needs the image and the path name of a file as input parameters. We enter both values. On the parameter image, we drag again the variable screenshot image. And we start the script again. All actions were performed without errors. Let's check if the file was saved. You can rename variables at any time. XenoGuard automatically changes the references wherever you have used the variable. In our example, we renamed the variable to screenshot image primary screen. Note how the references have been changed. We now add more variables. Instead of drag and drop, you can also select the variable using the dialog box. Press Enter or double-click the cell to switch to input mode. The selection window opens. XenoGuard automatically selects the set local variable and displays a list of all available variables on the right. You can use the cursor keys to select another variable. Confirm the selection with Enter. The new variable is then applied. Press Ctrl-Z to undo the change. Preferably use variables if you want to cache data and use it in different places in the script. Each action can then read the variable value and change it as needed. Avoid copying fixed values. This makes changes difficult to track, and you also have to make the changes in many places. This can easily lead to errors. In the next video, you will learn how to work with enumerations. Thank you for your interest. I hope the video helped you. If you have any questions about the product, feel free to contact us. We'll be very glad to help you.